What happens if we are unable to serve the defendant? So you have successfully submitted your case to smallclaimsdepartment.com. We have successfully filed your case. We have a hearing date, and now we're having trouble serving the defendant. Let me just say first that smallclaimsdepartment.com is the only company of our kind in our industry that offers unlimited attempts at your address. Now, what does that mean? That means that we will continue to attempt the address until, number one, we either have a bad address. Now, if we have a bad address, we're going to email you and let you know. We went to the address at this date and this time, and the resident's address is vacant. We spoke with the neighbors. They say defendant moved out. Now, we're going to let you know about the bad address, and we're going to ask you if you have additional addresses for us to attempt. Now, you should know that for each additional address we attempt, it's $60. If you do not have any additional addresses, you can utilize our skip trace service. If you go to our California homepage, you'll see on the left-hand margin skip trace service. Now, what's a skip trace? That means finding somebody. You're going to click on there, you're going to put in a few, you're going to put the defendant's name, you're going to put the last known address, and you're going to submit it to us. We'll have an answer within 2 or 3 business days. If it is a good address, and we continue to go, and either the defendant is evading service, they're clearly on vacation, nobody's ever been home, and we run out of time, then what we suggest is that you have us get a reset. Now, you can get the reset yourself if you'd like. We charge $65 to file a reset with the court. And then we will charge an additional $65 once the reset comes back. We have a new hearing date, and we put it back out for service with our process server. That'll be an additional $65. And again, going back to the unlimited attempts, the only time we're going to stop making attempts is if we run out of time. And we have 15 days before the hearing date in California where the defendant has to be served, or you must get a reset. We get a bad address. We discussed that. You call us and cancel service. Maybe the defendant knows that we're trying to serve them. They contact you and say, call the dogs off, let's settle. Or 4, if we successfully serve the defendant.